The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern Dupage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10 p.m. At 9:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Streamwood, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornadoes. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Schaumburg, Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Elm Grove Village, Roselle, Bloomingdale, and Itasca around 9:20 p.m. Arlington Heights, Rolling Meadows, and Wooddale around 9:25 p.m. Chicago, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, and Bentonville around 9:30 p.m. Glenview, Park Ridge, Prospect Heights, and Rosemont around 9:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Wheeling, Niles, Morton Grove, Skokie, Northbrook, Wilmette, Northfield, Evanston, West Ridge, Lincolnwood, Winnetka, Glencoe, Kenilworth, and Rogers Park. Home zones, tornado warning. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest